Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to a cooking video, and there's only a few days left until Christmas. I'm so excited that I decided to do a Christmas giveaway for some really cool baking stuff. If you want a chance to win, then stick around for the end of this video where I show you what and how you can win it. Right, let's get cracking and make something Christmassy. In my last cooking video, I made an easy lamb biryani for my daddy because he's Bengali. If you haven't seen that video, click here. So today I'm going to make something for my mummy who is Danish. I have chosen a recipe from this book, Fika and Huga, which is full of delicious recipes from Scandinavia, including this one called Jewish Biscuits, or JØDEKAGER. Or you. It's really hard. Or from JØDEKAGER. Or JØDEKAGER. It's a biscuit that's very popular in Denmark at Christmas time. It was my Oliver's favorite. It's really delicious and easy to make. So let me show you how to make it. You will need butter cubes that are cold. You may want to leave them in your fridge for a while. And cinnamon sugar, almonds, an egg, some sugar, and a lot of flour. Let's get cracking. As always, I'm going to start by washing my hands, and my hair is already tied up. So first I'm going to put in the cold butter. Let's put that aside, and then the flour with the baking powder. Just be very careful with this, or ask a grown-up to help you, because this can get a little bit messy. And it could get a dust cloud. Mix it briefly until you get sand-like texture. Turn it to 2 if you can. Then I add sugar and egg yolk. And then put the egg yolk. Mix again until just combined. No. Wrap it in cling film and then roll it into a log. Leave it to rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Once the dough has rested, preheat the oven and slice into thin slices, but first cut it in half. This. And once you've sliced them thinly, brush each slice with a little bit of egg white. I've sliced 25. And then sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on each one. These look so delicious. And once you've done that, sprinkle some almonds on them. I'm done. Now they just need to bake for 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. Wasn't that easy? I'm going to try one. And it also does taste really good. My mom's gonna love these. As promised, I have a special surprise. I'm in this magazine from the cake decorating company because they like my videos so much. And if you would like to make the same chocolate muffins, you can win all the things needed. In this box has everything you need. So this is like a little spatula that you can mix anything with. Cupcake cases! And they also have Christmas trees on it. Isn't that cool? We've got chocolate vanilla sprinkles. Don't they just look delicious? And this is the chocolate muffin mix. That's the one I used in my video. There's some sprinkles and it has a few green bits in it. That means that there's Christmas trees. You can also win a copy of the book that I used today. If you want to win everything you need to make the chocolate muffin and the JØDEKAGER, then subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below in this video saying chocolate muffin. And the deadline is 24th of December. And the winner will be announced on the 25th of December. This competition is only for people in the UK. If you're not in the UK, I'm so sorry. Good luck and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the heart. And have a Merry Christmas!